Hey, hi, my name is Mehdi, and I'm the founder of Panoramata, the ultimate intelligence e-commerce platform. And today, I actually wanted to take a few minutes to speak about one of the greatest email that we are seeing, and it's the comparison email. An email that actually compare yourself versus a competitor, a specific product, or another range. And it's a great email for two reasons. One, it's because it actually helps you position your product, explain its benefits versus someone else. And it's actually a great email to actually convert your audience, because this way you're able to explain super clearly the benefits of using your products versus something else. So here are a few products here. I'm actually going to gather at the end of the video all the examples, interesting examples that we're going to see into a list that I'm going to share with you for free. You can actually already get the list in the link, in the description just below. So you'll find all the examples there. The goal during this video, we're going to take a few minutes to just go over the main examples together. So let's start right away. We'll start with a skincare brand called We the People, Sugar Code versus Shopping Farm. So basically you have their product here. What they're doing is body care, natural body care for people, and they're comparing Sugar Coat, shaving foam, and you have all those items here versus shaving foam, and they have a nicety at the end that just says, "Hey, the more you know, get coated." So it's a cool way. It's basically the basic way of doing it. They're doing it. I'd say they're following the rules because the main goal when you do here is to be, honest with your audience. Do not lie. Do not say wrong things and false things about your competitors. Just be honest and highlight the main benefits of your products, and that's what they managed to do here. So super honest and makes sense. Just efficient. So yeah, it's a good example. Sugar coat versus shaving foam. All right, another one from Italic. This one is interesting. Leaving the competition out to dry. Can you spot the difference? Parachute, more than 100. Italy, 45. Shop now. In the spirit of transparency, the Parachute Classic Thousand is made from 100% Turkish cotton and then 100 Australian cotton. This is one of the best examples to actually, there's nothing to add here. It's obvious, and you actually want to buy the one from Italic right now. So excellent examples from Italic. Our towels versus theirs, we dare to compare. There's nothing to, everything's perfect on this email. So yeah, and they do end with some more social proof at the end. Oh, they even made, a real campaign around it. Well, then perfect. Great example. Great example. It's honest and it's actually fun. It's actually fun. All right. What else do we have here? Actually, this one is not comparing versus competitors, but it's actually a good example it's another usage of the comparison when you actually want to compare one product or one range of products you own versus another one, just to explain to people why do you have those different kinds of products, which is interesting as well. And it's a great intro to actually start with. There's something for everyone. All right, then Hanni. All right, same. See, the same that for Italic. The main comparison point here is about the pricing. It's about the price, and it makes sense also because you don't have anything else to do than just being honest. I mean, the price is the price, and it's everyone understands right away. Just wanted to show this email for one reason. It's because they actually built it on their website, a comparison tool, and the email here is actually just to introduce this comparison tool that they've built on their website. What else do we have? We do have flow, so it's water. So flow water versus tap water. This example here gives a lot of details. I would prefer, and I guess that it would have worked better for them if they, if they've managed to be as precise as with the people is, because right now there's a lot of text, so it's a bit hard to follow. What else do we have? Recess. Let's settle this once and for all. The recess margarita, an average margarita. The same example as for with the people. It's clear, it's honest, it's actually also fun. But yeah, they basically compare their alcohol-free version of margarita with an average margarita. And yeah, the choice is obvious if you're actually already a fan of the brand. What else do we have? We do have the price war. Dossier, which is a perfume brand. Yeah, see, that's even more. That's from the Black Friday last year. So Black Friday sale, and Gucci Bloom 108.26. Tom Ford 26. Yeah, I mean, it's obvious. The price speaks. Yeah, same example as for Recess. Recess was comparing margaritas. Ghia is comparing Negronis. Well, same thing, super obvious, super visual. So yeah, Ghia is as punchy as the classic Negroni, minus the booze, the sugar, and the nasties. Boom. What else do we have? Positive. Yeah, the same. Being honest here. And it's actually a great way to highlight the benefits of your products right away. You can do it from home. You do add antioxidants. It helps with hydration. You don't need a needle, and it's cost effective. Shop retro versus Botox. What else? Perfect. Same example here. This one is actually fun because it highlights the brand in itself, not a specific product, and it does not name a specific competitor, while Italic was doing it, so Dossier was doing it as well, and some of the others were. Dundee is not, which is interesting as well. That's why I'm keeping this example. And that's it. Those were the main example. I'm gonna put them all in a specific list and put it in the description down below. So head there if you do need anything. Here is the tool that I've used to actually gather those few examples. So you can see I'm just looking at Versus, and I'm looking at a lot of examples here. So the tool is Panoramata. See, there's another example from Riyadh is actually using this one, this kind of email quite a lot. See, same here. So yeah, let me know if it was helpful. Let me know in the comments. You can find me on LinkedIn as well, or you can just go on Panoramata, book a demo if you're interested at the tool, and I'll be on the other side of the call. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.